Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add 2000 years later transition to our video on InShot application. Okay, here I have created a project on my InShot application, and here I have imported two clips to my InShot project, and I'm going to add transition between these two clips. So we can place this parallel right here, and we can click on this plus button and click on the video or photo, and we have to go to the InShot material right here, and on this material you have to select transition category. Okay, and this is the 2000 years later transition. Click on this transition or click on this video transition and click on this check mark to import this transition to our video. Okay, and the video is imported right here, and I'm going to drag it to place it between two clips. Okay, and now the transition has been added between two clips, and I'm going to check the result. I'm going to play the video.
2000 years later.
Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can add 2000 years later transition to our video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.